Okay, resuming. It's a very windy day. Wow. This is Narragansett Bay now. This ain't the open ocean. Try to go there next. Sure, they don't have the street blocked off. I don't have to walk there. Coming. Try to keep the camcorder out of the wind though, okay. See, many people videotape beautiful Tstorms and tornadoes, but keep in mind, you know, if the wind blows in the camcorder microphone, it drowns out the thunder no matter how loud the thunder is. That's why I always like to keep the wind out of my camcorder. Because no matter how loud the thunder is, you ain't gonna hear it if the wind is too strong. You see my videos, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Try to catch it. It's like trying to catch a lightning bolt. This is neat, see, man. Really, this is so cool. Trying to catch the splashes, you know. Okay, I'm probably going to try to head over to the other beach now in a moment. As long as the onion heads don't have them blocked off, I got it made. Yeah, that's a nice one, man. Whoa. That's what I say when I see a nice CG and hear a loud clap of thunder. Needs to be seen if we'll be getting too many of those this year, but never know. Tornadoes, yes, but Tstorms here is another story. Just for the records, most Tstorms we had in a single year since we moved up here in 1986. The year was 1998, where I logged a good at least 51 Tstorms. The best one, of course, is 6/19/98, which I have on video. Someday I'll get that on YouTube. Okay, a couple minutes here. Yeah, and I'm not trying to be bossy, but anybody viewing my Tstorm videos, I absolutely love. One teeny weeny suggestion though, try to keep the wind from blowing into the microphone of the camcorder. Otherwise, as I keep saying, it just drowns out the thunder. I mean, lighting will show no matter what, but I want to hear the thunder too. So I'm crazy about taping Tstorm. That's why I'm loves Tstorm tapes. I guess that makes perfect sense, doesn't it? Yep. Been that way since 7/16/07. That's when I first joined YouTube. This may sound strange. I remember the date. Get a lot of snow. This house here. Okay, this house here. This house here. This house here. I shovel, and shovel enough snow to build an igloo half the size of the Pentagon sometimes when we get those big snowstorms. Okay. I'll take another shot at this. Go a little faster now. This is only about a mile northeast of where I was. I keep forgetting whenever I try to say something in the morning, I feel like I swallowed a sea urchin first, you know. You never know, you might find some sea urchins here. You never know. Still got it blocked off. Yeah, it's alright, I'll keep going. And I'll go around the bend and we'll lock it up. See if we get this baby up on YouTube. Always pronounce the B in YouTube really prominently, otherwise you think I'm talking about the group U2. Of course, Bono turns 50 on May 10th. Maybe we'll get a big Tstorm on that day. We did on May 10, 2000. Whole Northeast was ravaged by on-the-ground lightning strikes, and there was some taping done. It was hydroplaning, that's why. Okay, that's it for the video. Bye. Hope you liked my